Recording has been started, ma'am.
And your screen is not visible.
Your screen is not visible.
Just wait. Everyone wait. Maybe some net issues there. Wait. Don't unmute yourself. Ma'am is there. Ma'am will inform the teacher. Okay? Quiet, everyone.
Okay, so I was logged out because when the recording has started. So let me just present my screen again. Please wait for a moment. It's taking a bit time. Okay. All right. So the screen is visible now. So in the hints, I have written introduction. First of all, you have to introduce about your the favorite TV show which is your favorite, right? आपका जो भी मनपसंद टीवी प्रोग्राम है, शो है, उसके बारे में you will tell something. उसके बारे में एक दो लाइन्स आप बताओगे. फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर या फेवरेट कैरेक्टर उस टीवी शो में जो भी आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर है. कैरेक्टर मीन्स जो रोल प्लेज उसमें है, जितने भी लोग उसमें आते हैं, जितने लोग उसमें एक्ट करते हैं, उनके बारे में आप बता सकते हो.
Sanya, ma'am, your voice is not audible. Excuse me, Sanya, ma'am. Are you listening to me? Some student is muting each other. Some other student, please take care of this thing. I'm getting the
Beta,
message.
this this thing is creating so much problem. You have muted me also, and
Did me?
there is so much problem. Kindly take care. आपके hands कहाँ touch हो रहे हैं screen के ऊपर. It creates so much problem in the session. Already we are struggling so much with the technology. ऊपर से आप लोग ऐसी चीजें करते हो, the whole flow gets disturbed. Okay. So my favorite TV show. After that, you will tell about the duration. Duration means कितने टाइम के लिए शो जो है वो आता है टीवी के ऊपर. उसका टाइम कितना है? 1 घंटा, 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे, right? The next description of the character. Your favorite character, you have to describe about that character. आपको कौन सा रोल सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? You have to tell something about that. And then, is it entertaining or not? Do you like watching this show? If you like, then what do you like about it? Then is all members watch it. आपकी फैमिली के सभी मेंबर्स इसको देखते हैं या नहीं देखते हैं, और who watches it with you, या फिर कौन देखता है. अगर सब नहीं देखते तो फिर कौन देखता है आपके साथ इसको, right? So So now let's start with the composition. The first line is I watch television show during my free time. कि मैं टेलीविजन शो को अपने फ्री टाइम में देखता हूँ या देखती हूँ. My favorite TV show is Tom and Jerry. जो मेरा favorite TV show है वो है Tom and Jerry. It is telecast on Cartoon Network. Then we have to tell about the channel. कौन से channel पे आता है? That is Cartoon Network. Its duration is 1 hour. 1 घंटे के लिए शो करता है इसको. Tom is the name of the cat in the show. इस शो में जो cat है उसका नेम है Tom. A very naughty mouse, Jerry, irritates Tom all the time. He is
Your voice is cracking, ma'am. You are unmuted. आप म्यूट नहीं हो, अनम्यूटेड हो, बट आपकी वॉइस क्रैक कर रही है मैम. सम नेट इश्यूज देयर एट योर एंड. Avnish Sharma, should I move you? Please have some control on your hands. Avnish Sharma. Yes, Monica ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I watched Avnish Sharma with Sanya, ma'am. I actually read screen.
No. Now actually, Sonia ma'am has left the meeting. Some net issue is there, I think. है ना Sonia ma'am?
Sanya, ma'am is there now.
There is internet problem.
Yeah, she hasn't.
The
Yeah,
connection
some net.
is
Yeah, some problem is there. Net issue is there. No problem. Ma'am.
It
Continue.
can be with
Shahina
all
Sadiq.
right. So
I don't know what's the problem with the students. Why they are muting each other and even teachers.
Anita, ma'am. Please start.
Shahina
removing the
Sadiq,
phone.
have some control on your hands.
Anita, ma'am. Please start removing the
So why
child.
are you touching the screen? Why you people are touching the screen, bache?
okay, ma'am, let's continue with the session.
Yeah,
The screen is visible now. Yes.
yeah, visible.
So Tom is very special to me because of its innocence. Tom जो है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है because of its innocence, इसकी cuteness और इसके भोलेपन की वजह से. All the members of my family watch it together. मेरी family के सभी members इसको एक साथ देखते हैं, right? So this is a kind of composition you can write about your favorite TV show. Now I have a small activity for you in which you are supposed to write a few lines, 3 lines about your favorite reality show. Now, do you understand what is a reality show? Reality show वो होता है जो कि लाइव चल रहा होता है या जिसमें एक्टिंग नहीं होती, जैसे कि सारेगामापा, लिटिल चैम्प्स, फियर फैक्टर, एंड देन जिसमें लाइव परफॉर्मेंस होती है. कुछ लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं जो रियल लाइफ पे बेस होता है, इसमें रियल होती हैं चीजें, ठीक है? सो नाउ यू हैव टू राइट 3 lines about any of your favorite. Yes, it can be खतरा also, it can be सारेगामापा. There are so many dance shows as well. तो जितने भी reality shows आते हैं जिसमें सब कुछ real में हो रहा होता है, acting नहीं होती है, they are called reality shows. So you have to write 3 lines. अभी के अभी आप लिखोगे chat box में. Everybody will write 3 lines about their favorite reality show. So how are you going to start it? First of all, you have to tell that my favorite reality show is this, and then you can tell me why do you like it, on which channel it is being telecast. Okay? और बेटे telecasted word नहीं होता है. Telecast की जो forms of verbs है वो telecast ही रहती हैं, right? So yes, please start writing now.
मेरे पास कौन सी ले रखी बोर्ड में है बताओ. बुक लिख सकता हूँ.
Okay, so right, so people have started mentioning Big Boss. Very good. Please write something about your favorite reality show. Write in lines, make sentences to write. Jaldi se. Okay, let it be 2 sentences only 2 sentences भी लिख सकते हो आप. Need not to write 3 sentences, just write 2 sentences, all of you. You have to say it completely that my favorite reality show is this. Okay. So why do you like it? ID with the name of Manjeet Bansal has written it is Big Boss. So Manjeet Bansal की ID से बेटा, why do you like Big Boss? Now tell me the reasons. आप बता रहे हो खतरों का खिलाड़ी. All right. मृदुल बेटा, टेलीकास्टेड वर्ड नहीं होता, it is telecast. Okay. My favorite TV show is खतरा खतरा खतरा. It is telecast on Colors TV. Okay. Oh, very good. Right. CID. But why do you like it? आपको क्यों पसंद है ये shows? Write in one sentence. Why do you like it? Everybody please start writing. Why do you like that particular show? Okay. Indian Idol. Right. खतरों का खिलाड़ी. But why do you like it? Because it's my favorite. That is my question. Why is it your favorite? Why do you like it? I want the answers. क्यों पसंद है आपको? BODDLE. Okay. But why do you like it? Favorite show is Power of Girls. It is a comparison. Winner gets money. Okay, very good. Winner gets money. That's great. Favorite TV show is Forged in Fire. I like it because the contestants have to make weapons and test them live. Very good. Mankaran Veer, a brilliant answer by Mankaran Veer. Favorite TV show is Forged in Fire. Okay. Kapil Sharma's comedy show, but why do you like it? Okay, Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma. Because बेटे Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma is not a reality show. ये तो एक normal TV program है. You have to mention something about a reality show बेटा. Please take care कि आपको क्यों पसंद है. निशा महमी की आईडी से आप बहुत सारे shows लिख रहे हो, शिनचैन, किमोन, अच्छे, but they are not reality shows. Reality show means जो actually में real में होता है. डोरेमोन भी नहीं लिख सकते हो आप, शिनचैन भी नहीं लिख सकते हो. I like snakes in the city because I like snakes. Okay. Khatra, khatra, khatra because it's very funny. All right. So you have got me that you need to write the reasons. Why do you like it? कौन से channel पे आता है, कितने घंटे का होता है. So this is the way you can write many different compositions. Okay. So what other compositions can be there related to this topic? Your favorite TV show, your favorite reality show, your favorite period, your favorite teacher, your favorite toy, any favorite can be there. किसी भी favorite चीज के बारे में आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. All right. Now we have to start another chapter of grammar in a day or two. That is, it is adjectives. Okay. So now you can see a picture on the screen. We have two apples here. तो इन एप्पल्स की खास बात क्या है कि ये टू हैं. एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं? जो हमें किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में कुछ खासियत बताते हैं. They tell us something about a noun or a pronoun, right? So here, what I have written is two apples. So how many apples are there? Two. So two इसमें adjective है. Okay? Two is adjective here. बेटा आज आपने भी ये सिर्फ सुनना है. आपको भी मैंने कुछ वर्क नहीं दिया इसके related. Because we shall be doing this topic ahead now. So two apples. So two is the adjective here. Next is blue ball. Now you tell me, what is the adjective here? What is so special about the ball? What have I mentioned about this ball in this slide? Please write in the chat box. Don't speak anything. I have written something about this ball. So what is that adjective about this ball? Ball के साथ मैंने क्या लिखा है? Blue. Okay. So ball की speciality क्या है? It is blue in color. So blue is the adjective here. Then you can see there is a plate of rice here. कितने चावल हैं इसमें? कितने rice हैं इसमें? Can you count the number of grains of rice? क्या आप count कर सकते हो कितने चावल हैं? They are uncountable. But what we can use is sum. हम sum जरूर लिख सकते हैं उसके लिए. Right. We cannot tell the number of rice in this, but we can tell just an approximate amount, that is sum. Okay. The sum is the adjective here. First slide में हमारे पास थे apples, right? Apples countable थे, इसलिए हमने number में लिखा. So this is adjective of number. Then is blue ball. Ball की speciality है, कोई quality है, that is blue. So this is adjective of quality. Then is some rice. अब rice इसमें countable नहीं है. We cannot give a number. That is why some rice. This is adjective of quantity. So I will explain you about this
Ma'am,
more
yes.
in the next next sessions.
Right.
Don't worry if you're not able to understand them right now. आप थोड़ा सा बस आइडिया लोगे आज कि एडजेक्टिव्स क्या
Okay,
होते
ma'am.
हैं. They tell us something about the nouns or pronouns, right? So now on your screen you can see a picture of a house. आपको एक house की picture नजर आ रही है screen के ऊपर, right? So you have to write few adjectives about this house. आपको इस house के बारे में कुछ adjectives लिखने हैं. Write something about this house. Write something what you like about this house. What is it that is special about this house? Is it big? Is it small? Is it beautiful? Is it spacious? You can write this kind of quality, right? So you can write. So Mridul has written it is big. Mehardeep has written it is big, beautiful. All right. What other adjectives can you use for this house? किस तरह का house है ये? It's big, beautiful, right? Very good. Big, beautiful. Anything else? Anything else which comes to your mind? और क्या लिख सकते हैं आप इस house के बारे में? It is white in color. Okay, that's great. Fine. Okay, it's enormous. It is huge in size. It is big in size. It's big in size, right? What else can you write about this house? Spacious. Yes, Kulvinder Kaur ki ID say we have an answer. Spacious. So spacious means a place which has huge amount of space available in it. जहाँ पे space बहुत होती है, जो बहुत खुला सा area होता है, which has space in it. It is called spacious. जिसमें जगह की कमी नहीं होती. Okay. So you just notice that we can write many adjectives about a thing. Now next we have a car over here. What can you write about this car? What can you write about this car? Rajwinder ji ki ID se again. I have been muted. Beta, please take care of this thing. So again, car. What kind of car is this? What can you write about this car?
Ma'am,
क्या लिख सकते हो आप इस
Ma'am,
car
your
के बारे
screen is
में?
not
It is red.
visible.
It is red in color.
Wait, everyone.
It is.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
It is visible. Okay, let me see, ma'am. If somebody has shared the screen. Okay. So meanwhile, आप already बेटे picture देख चुके हो. Everybody, please mute yourselves, all of you. Mute yourselves, all of you. Okay, thank you. So I'm presenting the screen again. Now, so what can you write about this car? What kind of car it is? Red in color. Yes, it's a super speeder car. Okay, it's very beautiful. Right. Luxury car. Okay. Designer car.
yes.
Please correct the spelling of designer. It is DESIGNER. GNER. Okay. So many adjectives for a car. It is pretty, right? Supercar. Stylish. Okay. Stylish is also a good adjective. Costly. Very good. It's a costly car. Right. Okay. Right. So these many adjectives you can write about a car. Now last one, it is a room. So what kind of room is it? What can you write about this room? Give me some adjectives about this room. Okay, this is a beautiful room. Spacious, because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा जगह है, so this is spacious. Big, very good. Airy and spacious, because it has windows also. If the windows are open, it will become airy. It's a big room, beautiful room, spacious room. It's a pretty room. Okay. Fine. So you can write like this. So today we have discussed about the compositions, right? हमने compositions discuss की है आज regarding my favorite, and we have also discussed about the adjectives. Okay, what are adjectives now? So adjective basically is a thing which tells us something about the noun or a pronoun. ऐसा कोई word जो हमें noun या pronoun की कोई quality बताता है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताता है, that is called an adjective. Alright, so it can be the color of the thing, it can be the shape of the thing, the size of the thing, its quality, right? तो कुछ भी जो हमें नाउन या प्रोनाउन की क्वालिटी के बारे में, कलर, शेप, साइज, कितना काउंट है उसका नंबर, क्वांटिटी बताए, that word is known as an adjective. All right, so now the time for the session is over. I hand over the session to Monica Bedi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I wish you all a very good morning, children. You all will sit properly. Okay, nobody will share the screen. So we will start with the EVS activity. Without wasting any time, we will start with the EVS activity. Right, bete?
You're welcome, ma'am.
Sana ma'am, stop presenting.
Shahina Siddiqui, please take care. You are muting others. Shahina Siddiqui, should I remove you?
Child with ID, Pooja Tyagi, Pooja and Vanshika Tyagi. Bete, you all sit properly. I am continuously watching you. Vanshika Tyagi, ma'am, this is the last warning for this child. You can remove this child.
Yeah, ma'am. Vanshika Tyagi.
Continuously watching this child. Bete, ask your parents to talk to me later on. कर दो बेटा. Today we will do activity of lesson 15, living and non-living. This is the last activity of this chapter. Amisha Kumari, why have you presented the screen, beta? Child with ID, Amisha Kumari, why have you presented the screen? But you don't do these things.
Your screen, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm presenting again. Actually, it takes time, na?
Yeah.
But you will waste your time if you will do these things. Don't waste the time of other children also. Sit properly. I request all of you sit properly. Yes, get ready for your activity now. आप अपना chat box enable करो. आज हम activities करेंगे अपनी. EVS activity of chapter 15, living and non-living things. This is the last revision beta of this chapter. ठीक है? और next Google Meet पे we will start with the next chapter. You can open your books also.
Page number.
बेटा पेज नंबर है आपका चैप्टर 15, पेज नंबर B30. पेज नंबर B30 बेटा. So let's start. First, see these pictures beta. Just watch the pictures carefully. Right? Watch this picture carefully.
कौन सा पेज नंबर?
बेटा पेज नंबर B30 है book का, but you don't need the book right now. Just look at the pictures. And the first question is, What are these things? Observe them carefully. Enable the chat box. You will write answer. Options I have given. What are these things? Write fast, all of you.
Ma'am,
Living.
ma'am, living.
Are
living.
better write in chat box. Soumya Singh, sit properly in the class, beta. Otherwise, you will be removed from the class. I am watching you, everybody. Yes, आंसर लिखो फास्ट. कोई आंसर लिखते जाओ. आपके पास टाइम ही नहीं होगा शरारतें करने के लिए. और मैंने लिमिटेड टाइम देना. फटाफट आंसर्स लिखो. Good. What are these things? Answer is living things. All participants will give answer. Very good, Vanshika Tyagi. Shabash. Very good, बच्चे. Yes, these are living things. Now next. What type of things are these? ये चीजें इनकी टाइप क्या है? Options are natural living, natural non-living, man-made. Write answer in chat box. Don't write A, B, C. Write full name. Write full name. What type of things are these? Man-made. Man-made is the wrong answer. What type of things are these? Three options are given. Natural living, natural non-living, or man-made. Right answer. Soumya Singh, are they non-living? They are not non-living, beta. They are not non-living. Animals and plants, are they non-living? Answer is these are natural living things. All these things are natural living things. Man has not made them. They are natural living things. Now here is your creativity. Show me your creativity now. Write in the chat box. Write two natural non-living things. इन जो आपने पिक्चर्स में देखी हैं, don't write the name of these things. Write any other two natural non-living things. वो दो चीजें जो natural हैं but non-living हैं. I will read the answer. Mountains, right answer. River, right answer. Plants, बेटे non-living नहीं हैं. Chair, table, natural नहीं हैं. बेटा think and write. सोच के लिखो. Natural हैं but non-living हैं. Rock, right answer. Water, right answer. Sun, very good. Book is wrong answer. Ocean, very good. Yes, think and write. Natural but non-living. Sun, water, right answer. Good. Moon, right answer. Plant, wrong answer. Plant is not non-living. Plants are living. So, natural non-living things हैं sun, moon, stars, water, mountains, hills, rivers. All these things are natural non-living things. But think and give me the answer. I am giving you the time.
Ma'am, here.
Next is, look at these pictures. Avni Sharma, very good answer. Look at these pictures. First question, what type of things are these? Option is given. Natural things, man-made things. I have made the work easy for you. Options are there. What type of things are there? Good. Shabash. Mridul Joshi, Rajdeep Sani. Very good, beta. Very good, bache. Give me answer. Very easy. What type of things are these? So, if you watch the pictures carefully, आपको examples वैसे ही याद हो जाएंगे इन चीजों के. If you look at the pictures carefully.
I have a doubt.
Write in chat box, beta. If you will unmute yourself, technical problem might come. Write in the chat box, beta. Okay, I will give you answer. Answer is man-made things. These things are man-made. Next, which are man-made things among these? Now, I will show you some man-made things. Names of some man-made things. You will tell me man-made things will be there, natural things will be there, and living things will be there. From the table, here is the table. From this table, find out the man-made things. From this table, Find out the man-made things. Read the table first and write all man-made things. 1-1 करके आंसर नहीं भेजना. Man-made things, maximum man-made things find out करो इसमें से. 1 आंसर नहीं भेजना मेरे को, इसमें बहुत सारी man-made things हैं. Take your time and write the answer in the chat box. Good. Take your time. Read first and then write in the chat box. Which are man-made things among these? Which are man-made things among these? Meherdeep, very good. Shabash. Number I tell you, there are 9 man-made things in this table. 9 man-made things are there. I have given you the number. Now find and write. Envelope is right answer. Pencil is right answer. Yes. Sweets right answer. Taj Mahal right answer. Notebook right answer. Train right answer, Anjali Soni. Aeroplane right answer. Good, shabash. Many students are writing. This is very good. You are participating. Write in chat box. This way you will learn the spellings also. Yes. Should I give you the answer now? Look at the table now and match your answers. Look at the table. Loin, living. Lizard, living. Boy, living. Envelope, man-made. Pencil, man-made. Girl, living, not made by man. Notebook, man-made. Taj Mahal, man-made. Roads, man-made. Sun, natural. Air, natural thing. Sweets, man-made. Towel, man-made. Trains, man-made. Rivers, natural things. Aeroplane, man-made.
मैम मैंने लिख दिया क्वेरी.
हाँ बेटा, क्वेरी लिख दी आपने. क्या नाम है आपका? What is your name?
मैम सोनी.
Randhir Kumar, stop sharing the screen. Ma'am, your screen is not visible now.
I'll share again. No problem. No issues.
मैम सब
Beta, mute your microphones. Any problem? Anita ma'am will tell me, bache. Child with ID, Rajni Soni. Air is also a natural non-living thing. बिल्कुल ठीक है आंसर बेटा. Air is a natural non-living thing. बिल्कुल ठीक आंसर है आपका. Now look at this chart. We have already done features of living things. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done
Living things. These are some features of living things. ठीक है? इनमें से कौन से features? Which of these features are shown by living things? Few features are shown in this picture. Write in chat box which of these features are shown by living things. Which of these features are shown by living things? Yes, बिल्कुल ठीक है. Right. In this chart, write all the features which are shown by living things. इनमें से कौन से features living things show करती हैं? Very good. Shabash. Some students are giving answers very nicely. Good, beta. Yes. Answer is living things breathe, living things grow, Living things die. Live forever is wrong answer. Write other features of living things apart from these. 3 features of living things you have done from here, and now write other features of living things apart from these features. इन फीचर्स के अलावा लिविंग थिंग्स के और फीचर्स लिखो जो आपको पता है. Living things have life. So which features, which characteristics are shown by living things? Write in the chat box. जो यहाँ पे शो हो गए वो नहीं लिखने आपने. Yes, they eat, they move. Randhir Kumar, bete, what are you doing? You keep writing. I am reading the chat box. Keep writing. Eating is right. Move, right answer. Child with ILD, Aarti Anand, very good. Reproduction, शाबाश. सबसे different answer आपने लिखा है.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
I am sharing again. You keep writing answer in the chat box. I am sharing screen again. Anita ma'am, remove the child Randhir Kumar. Please remove this child. Yes, eat, breathe, reproduce, swim. Activity है जो living things कर सकते हैं. Movement में आता है ये. They can move, they can talk, they have life, they reproduce. Anita ma'am, please remove this child, Randhir, child with ID Randhir. Kindly remove this child this time.
Hello. Anji, hello ma'am.
Hanji, please remove this child, Randhir.
Okay ma'am, actually some net issues there, na, sometimes voice is not audible. I'm going to remove.
No issues, ma'am. Next is, look at this picture. But a very, very informative picture is this. Please look at this picture. ठीक है? Otherwise फिर आपको problem आएगी. Photosynthesis क्या होती है इसमें? I explain this picture to you. Look at the picture. Some students are still not sitting properly. Sit properly, all of you. Yes. Now this is the picture which shows photosynthesis. Photosynthesis क्या है बेटा? Photosynthesis is the making of food by the green plants. Green plants make the food. So for the photosynthesis, for making food, green plants, they take the sunlight from the atmosphere. They take the sunlight. They take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They take water from the soil. And the plant is green, chlorophyll is there, and they make the food. Okay, photo means light, synthesis means formation, banana. I repeat, photosynthesis. Photo का मतलब light, synthesis का मतलब banana. Light की help से खाना बनाना. Only green plants can make the food. In this picture, you can see also, if you will listen carefully, then you will be able to give the answers to the coming questions. You see here the leaf is green. And the leaves, they make the food. Green leaves make the food for the whole plant. And the leaves are also called food factories of plants. A leaf is also called a food factory of a plant. So this is the question. Write in chat box. Which plants make food? Does all plants make food? My screen is visible, beta. You just pin the screen. You just pin the...
Ma'am, it's visible. Just be saying, should I remove you? You have muted Monica, ma'am. Just be saying. Monica, ma'am, you are muted. Please unmute yourself. Monica, ma'am. Hanji.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Has muted you.
Now, the question is this. Which plants make food? Option is green plants or non-green plants. Write in chat box. Very good. जो बच्चे आंसर दे रहे हैं ना, they are sitting very nicely and they are very active and they are definitely learning. Which plants make food? Good, beta. Shabash. Good. Which plants make food? Answer is green plants. Green plants make food because they have green pigment, and that green pigment is called chlorophyll. Green plants make food because they have green color. Green color is the presence of chlorophyll. And with the help of chlorophyll, plants make food. Next, look at the picture and write the things required by the plants to make food. I have already discussed. Look at this picture now and write the things required by the plants to make food. Look at the picture and write the things required by the plants to make food. Anita ma'am, you can remove the children. You can remove the children, ma'am, who are creating nuisance. Rajinder Chauhan, Vanshika Tyagi, what are you doing, beta? Your names are coming. Stop muting each other. Aryaman Gupta. Look at the pictures and write the things required by the plants to make food. Yes. Very good, beta. Pavni. Very good, Pavni. Child with ID Manju Saklani, beta. Can you sit properly? Yes, write the answer. Look at the picture and write the answer. Child with ID Gurmeet Singh Saini, you have to mute yourself, beta. Yes, answer is C. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. Okay, and the chlorophyll which is present in the leaves. Next, which part of the plants is called food factory? Now I will ask some children side by side which will unmute themselves and they will give the answer. Now child with ID Gurnaman Chana. Gurnaman Chana, beta unmute karo apne aap ko bachche.
Yes.
Yes, give the answer. Which part of the plant is called food factory?
Leaf.
Very good answer. Shabash. Now mute yourself. Now child with ID AB Gamer. Child with ID AB Gamer. Unmute yourself. Quick bete, unmute yourself. No. Child with ID Anjali Soni, unmute yourself. Anjali Soni, unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question. Look at the picture and write the things required by the plants to make food. Give me answer. Which things are required by the green plants to make food?
Ma'am, sunlight,
Good.
water, air, and carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide present in the air. Plants take the carbon dioxide. Very good answer. Shabash. Beta. Mute yourself now. Next slide is there. Now, I will ask some students side by side. They will give the answer. Now sit properly, actively. And now you will speak the answers now. Child with ID, Aryaman Gupta, unmute yourself and give the answer. Filling in the blanks, number 1. Child with ID, Aryaman Gupta, quick beta. Aarti Anand. Aarti Anand. Filling in the blanks, number 1. And the rest of the students write in chat box. जिसको अनम्यूट करने के लिए बोला है वो अनम्यूट करके आंसर देगा और बाकी चैट बॉक्स पे आंसर लिखेंगे. आरती आनंद, unmute yourself. Yes, give this answer. Fish breathe through.
Seed.
बेटे बोलो, fish breathe through. चैट बॉक्स पे आंसर मेरे पास आ रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है. बोलो बेटा. Breathing organ in the fish are good. Shabash. Now mute yourself, both of you. Breathing organs in the fish are good. Yes, beta, mute yourself now. Gills. 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 जो बच्चे अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर रहे हैं मैम के कहने पे वो बोलेंगे और बाकी चैट बॉक्स पे लिखेंगे. कोई खाली नहीं बैठेगा. आई एम वॉचिंग एवरीबडी. शाबाश. नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक. Child with ID Basant Kumar. Unmute yourself. Basant Kumar. Basant Kumar.
Excuse me, ma'am. Seedling.
Basant Kumar. Aarti, unmute yourself. Soumya Singh, can you sit properly? Yes, write in chat box. Child with ID Bhumi Duggal, give me answer. And the rest of children write in the chat box.
Excuse
No.
me, ma'am. Can I give the answer?
Yes, speak beta.
No.
The rest of students write in chat box. Okay, child with ID Kanav Kaushal. Kanav Kaushal, give me the answer. Coming out of the young animal from the egg is called dash. Reproduction is wrong answer.
Ma'am.
Reproduction is wrong answer. Good. Just stay saying very good. Bhumi Duggal. Answer is hatching. I give you answer. Coming out of the young animal from the egg is called hatching. Egg में से जब बेबी निकलता है तो उस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं hatching. HATCHING, hatching. This term is also in the environmental terms given in your book. Next, the process of producing more of their own kind is called dash. The process of producing more of their own kind, अपने जैसे और पैदा करना, इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? Child with ID, Jaspreet Kaur, give answer. Jaspreet Kaur, give answer. Third का answer दो. And the rest of children write in chat box. Good answer are coming. Jaspreet Kaur, mute yourself then, if you don't want to give the answer. Child with ID, Manjeet Bansal, Manju Saklani.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, third answer to Manjeet Bansal. The process of producing more of their own kind is called? अपने जैसे और पैदा करना, इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? नहीं आता. चलो म्यूट करो अपने आप को. Child with ID मंजू सकलानी, give answer.
Yes.
मंजीत बांसल, अपने आप को म्यूट करो. मंजू सकलानी, थर्ड आंसर बोलो. No. And continuously you are causing disturbance in the class. I give you answer. Chat box पे बिल्कुल आंसर ठीक आ रहा है. Child with ID आशु, अनम्यूट करो बेटे, बोलो आंसर.
Ma'am, reproduction.
Very good, very good. Are you Aryan? आप आर्यन हो ना?
Ma'am, yes.
Very good, shabash. The process of producing more of their own kind is called reproduction. Now, fourth point. Sun and moon are dash natural things. Sun और moon natural things हैं. कैसी natural things है? Write in chat box. Sun और moon कैसी natural things है? Write in chat box. Are they living natural things or non-living natural things? Unmute करो, बोलो आंसर. शायद बेटा सुखमनी राय, बेटा बोलो फोर्थ का आंसर. You want to speak? बोलो.
Sun and moon are non-living natural things.
Very good. Sun and moon are non-living natural things. And now growth chart is there. At the bottom, growth chart is there. Complete the growth.
मैम फोन की बैटरी लो है.
Mute your microphones. Complete the growth chart. The last जो growth chart है, इसको complete करो बेटा. Seed के बाद क्या आएगा? Seed के बाद क्या आएगा?
मैम कैन आई स्पीक?
Yes. बोलो.
Seed, seedling, plant, big plant.
गुड. एक थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है. सीड के बाद सीडलिंग, बिल्कुल ठीक है. सीडलिंग के बाद क्या बनेगा? सीडलिंग के बाद क्या बनेगा?
मैम कैन आई स्पीक? प्लांट. मैम प्लांट. मैम प्लांट.
स्मॉल प्लांट.
स्मॉल प्लांट.
सीड के बाद सीड.
मैम स्मॉल प्लांट.
Mute all of you yourself. Mute your microphones. Seed, seedling, then small plant, then small plant grows and become a big plant.
My battery is low.
Seed grows and becomes seedling. Seedling grows and becomes a small plant. Small plant grows and it becomes a big plant. Now, thank you. This is all from my side. And now I am going to stop sharing my screen.